Good evening. As it is the upcoming placement season, just I would like to give a few key steps which will enable you to succeed in group discussion. Be well versed about recent events and news around the world. Yes, current affairs, what we call, and you should be thorough with the news around the world. Next one, public speaking by involving yourself in presentations. You know that the first impression is the best impression, and if you start speaking in the GD, the mentors or the evaluators should get good impression. So you start preparing giving presentations from now onwards as you have upcoming placement. Yes, don't hesitate, participate, whether in class 2 or 3 minute session also. Without any hesitation, move and give the presentation. Yeah, the foremost important thing I want to say is you should be groomed. Be well groomed and have a professional attire. When you come to the third year ending or the fourth year beginning, a grooming should be there in your body. Language also, I say. In the sense, you should groom your language. You should groom your look, not for the sake of the interviews. Yes, too much of hair or too much of nails or using dark color polish on the nails and beards don't look a professional. So have a grooming of yourself and be a professional attire. And what you speak, whether it is 5 minutes talk or 10 minutes talk, be confident and don't always dominate. Polite, be calm and look, observe, and you be confident in speaking. Be polite and mature in your approach during the discussion. When the group discussion goes on, your discussion should go in a mature way. You are the fourth year or you are 22 years old adult enough to speak on that particular topic. So be polite. Whether they disagree also, the other participants disagree, you answer them in a polite manner. Be alert at all times during the discussion. Yeah, listening is the key role. Why? Because if you listen only, you can answer the particular question of that particular participant. So be alert. So maybe so many of have a bad notion that only if we speak, it's okay. No, no. Listening is very, very important. Why? Because if you listen, in the interviews also, the group discussion also, if you listen, you can answer perfectly. So listening skills are very, very important. Speak clearly, correctly and confidently. Yes, what you speak, it should has a clarity. The information should be correct. And you should be in a confident way to speak. So here I always before a point that you have to listen attentively. Yes, why? Because you shouldn't repeat what the other person said. So if you listen attentively, you don't get the same point. So you will change your version. Yes or not? In the sense you will change your words. You don't repeat the same words which that particular person has given. Okay. And next one, speak when you feel you have something to contribute. Though you won't get marks or you won't get any point also, if you want to speak on that particular, if you want to give a good moral or some contribution to that particular topic, you better it is to speak. Okay, we wish all the students the best of luck and ready for the group discussion. Here I want to give you some topics. Yes, in my point of view, agricultural role in India, what are the problems and challenges, and also women empowerment and gender justice, addressing the equality challenges, end of globalization, deglobalization, nationalization. So you will have the topics and also the 5 important topics which now trending are yes, impact of COVID-19 on mental health. So how the people are facing, what's the mental health? If one person or two-person dies in a family, what is the situation? So that is the main reason here, the impact of COVID-19 and population control bill, pros and cons. Yes, what is the bill? So you have to know. And confidence versus knowledge. And how to prevent COVID third wave in India. Yes. So they will ask, and what are the not rules and regulations, I say, what people have to follow and what the government have to take, governments, state government and also the central government, policies regarding the COVID third wave, and also the final net zero. What is meant by net zero? Yes, a very important topic which nobody come to know. So have a look into net zero, or otherwise I give some information regarding this. Thank you for listening to my video. Bye bye.